Welcome back to HOM. Woo! Nelson Mandela once said, what did he say?
Mind blank.
Mind blank.
But you
Yes.
don't get blank.
So what I'm trying to illustrate here is completely fine to get blank, not excuse, when you're doing math, just like us preparing this video for you. And I just want to start with this quote by Nelson Mandela. It always seems impossible until you do it. Okay? And today we have something delicious lined up for you, and until the end of this we have something even more delicious for you. It is a cheat sheet that we have prepared for you, so watch all the way until the end and you get that included. Okay, so over to teacher of the day, En Zheng Hao. Oh,
Right, thank you, Matthew. Okay, so today's question is a very refreshing question. It's a question of green tea, Coke, and orange juice. Today we have this question, O-Level E-Maths Victoria 2019. Okay, so this drink store sells 3 types of drinks: green tea, Coke, and orange juice. Each drink comes in 3 sizes: regular, normal, and jumbo size. The table above shows the number of drinks available at the store at the start of each day. On a particular day, 70% of green tea, 40% of Coke, and 60% of orange juice were sold. So, obviously this is a matrix question because part A is asked, represent the data above in a 3 by 3 matrix A. Part B is represent the percentage of sales for the particular day in a 1 by 3 matrix row matrix B. And part C asks find P, which is equals to B times A. And lastly, state what each of the elements of P represents. So we will be giving you a few minutes to try this question out. Okay, so now hope you have looked at the question and hope you don't find it too difficult. So let's start with question A. So you are supposed to represent this data in the matrix, but isn't the table a matrix itself? Just copy the answer down. So A is equal to, so I'll say this is the matrix. Well, we can just copy everything in, and 3 marks for everyone, like free drinks. So it's 40, 30, 30. Okay? So of course this is all your green tea, this is all your Coke, and this is your orange juice. And this is a regular, normal, and jumbo size soap at the start of each available at the start of each day. Okay? So it's available at the start of each day. A. So part B. Represent the percentage of sales on a particular day in a 1 by 3 matrix B. Oh, well, here we have all these numbers. Okay, so percentage of sales, you can put 70% of green tea, 40% of Coke, and 60% of orange juice. So what we can do is, well, we just need to copy everything down. It's 0.7 for green tea. Just write everything in order because they're usually very nice. They write everything in order for you. Okay, so this is for green tea. This is for Coke. This is for orange juice. Okay. Similarly, let me just annotate for you. This is green tea. This is Coke. This is orange juice. This is regular, normal, jumbo. Okay. So now what we have to do is to find P equals to BA. P equals to BA. Well, so this is B. Now we just need to multiply this matrix. 0.7, 0.4, 0.6, multiplied by 30, 50, 30, 40, 40, 40, 40, 30, 30. Okay, do you remember how to multiply this matrix? So this is a 1 by 3 matrix, this is a 3 by 3 matrix. So the final matrix must be of the size 1 by 3. Just take the 2 numbers over here. If these 2 numbers are different, then it's not a compatible matrix. So we will expect something like a 1 by 3 matrix like this. Okay? So let's go ahead and multiply these three numbers with the first column. So matrix multiplication works as such. You take these numbers and multiply by the column, take these numbers, multiply here, take this column, multiply here. So let's multiply. 0.7 times 30 is 21. 0.4 times 40 is 60. 0.6 times 40 is 24. So the first number will be 21 plus 16 plus 24. Okay? Let me just write everything nicely. So 0.7 times 50, so we'll now multiply with this column, sorry. 0.7 times 50 plus 0.4 times 40 plus 0.6 times 30. So 0.7 times 50 is 35. 0.4 times 40 is 16. 0.6 times 30 is 18. Okay? And the last thing we have to multiply is this column over here. 0.7 times 30 is 21. And 0.4 times 40 is 16. 0.6 times 30 is 18. Okay, so we just simplify and evaluate all these numbers. So this is 37 plus 24, which gives 61. This gives 35 plus 16 is 51. 51 plus 18 is 69. 21 plus 16 plus 18 gives you, so this is 37 plus 18, which is 55. Okay, now we're done with part C. Part D. State what each of the elements of T represents. So, this is a very common question. So, how to do this kind of question is to sort of reflect on what you've just done over here. Okay, what does 21, 16, 24 mean when you multiply everything over? What's the 35 plus 16 plus 18? And what is this 21 plus 16 plus 18? Okay, so let's look at the first element. Okay, so 0.7, 0.4, and 0.6. Multiply by 30, 40, and 40. Okay, so these are regular drinks, right? Regular. This column over here is just from the regular drinks. So this is all from the percentage. So this is just the percentage of sales. And this is all your green tea, Coke, and orange juice. Okay? So when you multiply, right, 70% times 30, that means you have sold 21 green tea. 21 green tea. Because you have 30 at the start of each day, then every time after this whole day you sell 70% of it, so you have actually sold 21 green tea of regular size. Okay, regular size. 0.4 times 40 is 16. Okay, so this 16 comes from the 40% Coke times the amount you have in the start. So you have sold 16 Coke of regular size. And 0.6 times 40 is 24 orange juice at regular size as well. Okay, so state what each of the elements of P represent. Actually, just by looking at this, is the amount of drinks that you have sold. Because in the end, you have added everything together. You see, you have plus, you have plus. So amount of regular drinks. So this guy represents this here. Okay? Now what is this? This is simply the amount of normal drinks sold. The amount of normal size. This will therefore be the amount of large size or jumbo size. Okay? So what does this matrix represent? It just shows the number of drinks of each size sold in each day. Okay? As an extension, part E, extension, E for extension. What is A minus P? What does A minus P represent? You can think about it. Okay, so to summarize everything, we have actually done some matrices and some operations on matrices, and we have tried to find out what this multiplication actually means. Okay, so if you see this question again, remember, don't get blank. Okay.
Yes. To repeat what Nelson Mandela has said in a 2001 speech. So Nelson Mandela said, it always seems impossible until it's done, which is what you have seen in yourself today, because maybe before this you may not know how to apply matrices in such questions, but now you have done it, so well done. And right now I would like to leave with two challenges for you. The first one is to try figuring out what does A minus P means, and leave your answer in the comment section down below and we'll get back to you. And secondly, we would like you to like, subscribe and comment what is your biggest takeaway from today's video. And thirdly, we have prepared a cheat sheet for you, and to get the cheat sheet, all you have to do is click on get my cheat sheet link below in the bio or comments, I think description. And that's all for today.
Sorry,
we'll see you.
It's 111 A minus P. Okay? Yeah, continue.
Yes. So the first thing I'd like you to challenge yourself is to figure out what does 111 A minus P means. Okay? And the other thing what you can do is try to do this from scratch. Try to do this without looking at a solution. If you are able to do that, well done. With that, we'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.